In this video, I will show you how to fix WhatsApp username reservation field. First of all, make sure your app is up to date. Sometimes there are some tiny glitches that the update can fix. So go to Play Store, search for WhatsApp, then check if there is any update available. If it is already up to date, what you can do is simply try to close off WhatsApp from the recent app. Once you close it, try to relaunch WhatsApp and try to register your username. If not, then go to Settings, scroll down below until you find Apps, click on it, then go to App Management. Here search for WhatsApp, click on it, then click on Force Stop, then confirm it, then go to Storage Uses. Here click on Clear Cache written in bright red. Now try to restart WhatsApp. Sometimes the problem may be your internet connection, so go to your control center. Make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi. You can also try switching between mobile data and Wi-Fi. If you get a try again later type error, then simply wait for a few minutes, then try again. Then one more thing that can cause your WhatsApp username registration field is that let's go to the page where we create the username for WhatsApp. Here, when you type out the username that you want, it may say this username is not available. This is because around 3 billion people are trying to reserve their username in WhatsApp. So what you can do to make your username unique is to add underscore and a few number. Then your username will be available and you can simply click on save to save it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.